Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and fine. Today, in this video session, we are going to see the remaining stanzas of the poem Tartary. Tartary is a poem written by an English poet Walter de la Mare, who is famous for children's fiction. In his poetry, you can see the dreamy quality. This is a beautiful piece of imaginary poem. So without wasting the time, let's see the next stanza of the poem Tartary. So we all know it very well that this is a dream of the poet, or you can say this is the dream of a small boy in which he would like to become the lord of one of the imaginary kingdom, and the name of this imaginary kingdom is Tartary. So अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please do subscribe our channel for new and innovative learning of English language. Please subscribe our channel. So let's see the next stanza of the poem Tartary, in which the poet said, "If I were lord of Tartary, I would wear a robe of beads, white and gold, and green they would be, and clustered thick as seeds, and earth should wane the morning star. I would don my robe and scimitar, and zebras 7 should draw my car through Tartary's dark glades." So this is of course a dream in which the boy would like to become the lord of Tartary. अगर ऐसा हुआ, अगर वो इस किंगडम का राजा बना, so he would like to wear a robe of beads, white and gold. So he would like to wear such kind of the clothes, such kind of the robe which has the beads of white and gold and even green colored stones, or you can say diamonds. And of course this is the ornament, or this is you can say जो गले में वो माला पहनना चाहता है, उसमें बहुत सारे जो ऑर्नामेंट्स हैं उन्हें वो एक जैसे सीड की तरह वो एक दूसरे में वो क्या करना चाहता है, मिक्स करना चाहता है. और ऑफ कोर्स ही वुड लाइक टू वेयर दैट थिंग with his robe, and he would like to see this particular robe with the cluster thick as seeds. So like the seeds, he would like to wear the beads of white and gold and green colored diamonds. And this is the word which is in Old English, and of course the meaning of this word is before, and before should wane means disappear. So whenever the sun is disappear, that time we have the night. And before the morning star, he said that before morning star when, यानी morning star गायब हो जाने से पहले वो कहता है कि I would don my robe. So he would like to wear his robe, and he would like to take his scimitar. Scimitar, this is a sword with a curved blade, and he would like to take his scimitar, and he would like to roam in his kingdom before the morning star wane. जब भी ये मॉर्निंग स्टार गायब हो जाने से पहले वो चाहता है कि वो अपने किंगडम में घूमे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही वुड लाइक टू ड्रॉ हिज कार विच वॉज रनिंग बाय 7 zebras. तो 7 zebras मिलके इस कार को चलाएंगे, एंड यू विल डेफिनेटली राइड ऑन दिस. एंड दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल ड्रीम ऑफ द पोएट. एंड थ्रू द Tartary's dark glades, it means here he would like to roam here and there, and even in the glades of the Tartary. ग्लेड्स में छोटे छोटे रास्ते, जंगल का जो एरिया है उसको हम ग्लेड्स कह सकते हैं. सो उन रास्तों पर से वो अपनी जो कार है या फिर जो कैरेज है वो राइड करते हुए 7 zebras उसे राइड करेंगे, and he would like to enjoy that particular moment. So he said that I would don my robe and scimitar. He would like to take his sword, and he would like to wear his robe, जो कि एक राजा की शाही पोशाक है, उसे पहन के वो अपने एरिया में, अपने किंगडम में उसका मन चाहे जिधर वो क्या करना चाहता है, घूमना चाहता है. So he would like to roam in the dark glades of the kingdom. So this is a beautiful imagination of the boy, And let's see what he would like to do more in the next stanza. So in the next stanza, he said that, Lord of the fruits of Tartary, her rivers silver pale, Lord of the hills of Tartary, glen, thicket, wood and dale, her flashing stars, her scented breeze, her trembling lake like foamless seas, her bird delighting citron trees in every purple vale. So this poem has a beautiful rhythm, and in the first line of this stanza, the poet said that, Lord of the fruits of Tartary. So he would like to become the lord of each and every small element of his kingdom. And in his kingdom, so many fruits were there, so many trees were there, so many rivers were there, so many hills were there, so many things were there, and he would like to become one and only lord of this kingdom. So he said that, मैं एक ऐसा राजा बनूंगा जो कि सारे फ्रूट्स का राजा हो, सारे रिवर्स का राजा हो, सारे हिल्स का राजा हो, and even glen, thicket, wood and dale, they have the similar meaning. This is the bush, you can say, and this is the forest, and of course he would like to become the king of this forest, lord of this forest, lord of the hills, lord of the rivers, lord of the fruits. And he said that her flashing stars are also belongs to him, यानी उसके जो स्टार्स है वो भी उससे बिलोंग करते हैं. A scented breeze has the right of him. It means जो हवा का झोंका आएगा, जो सेंटेड हवा का झोंका आएगा, उस पे भी किसका हक होगा? इसी राजा का हक होगा. So he said that, her trembling lake like foamless seas. Trembling, of course, we have the trembles, and even trembling lake like foamless seas. With the help of the simile, he would like to tell that all the seas, or whatever the rivers and seas he has in his kingdom, all these particular things are belongs to him. उसकी अनुमति के सिवा कोई भी उसको छू नहीं सकता, कोई भी किसी पेड़ को छू नहीं सकता, कोई भी किसी सी का पानी नहीं पी सकता, या फिर कोई चीज उसके अनुमति के बगैर कर नहीं सकता. So his dream is that he would like to become one and only valorous king of this kingdom, and her bird delighting citron trees in every purple vale. So he said that in his kingdom there would be so many citron trees which will attract the attention of the beautiful birds. यानी citron trees इतनी सारी होंगी कि उन citron trees की वजह से बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरह के, अलग अलग किस्म के जो पंछी हैं वो वहां पे घूमने के लिए आएंगे. So this is the dream of this particular boy, and he said that, remember in the previous stanza he said that all the 7 zebras will carry his car, and he would like to roam here and there, and even he would like to tell us that each and every small creature, each and every small element in his kingdom belongs to him, and of course together he would like to wear the good kind of the clothes like the king. Of course जब कोई राजा बनता है तो उसके जो या उसका जो पहराव है वो कैसा रहेगा? एक राजा की तरह ही रहेगा. So he would like to wear so many garments, and even remember so many types of the diamonds as well. So he would like to wear them like the seeds. And so here in this beautiful poem, Walter de la Mare would like to share his dream with us. In his dream, he would like to become the king of one of the imaginary kingdom, Tartary. So in his kingdom, all the glens, all the thicket, wood and dale. Glen means this is the largest bush of the trees. So many trees together, they form the glen, thicket, or you can say wood and dale. It means वहाँ की जो नदियाँ हैं, वहाँ के जो सीज है, वहाँ के जो समंदर है, वहाँ के जो छोटे छोटे पर्वत है, वहाँ की जो खाई है, तो सब कुछ each and every element belongs to him. So in this beautiful poem, Walter de la Mare, in the form of the dream, told us a beautiful imaginary things, and of course due to his apt use of the words, we are also roaming in this fantasy world. तो हम भी इस fantasy world में गुम हो जाते हैं because it has the dreamy quality. So this is all about the two stanzas or last two stanzas of the poem Tartary. I hope you have understood the last two stanzas of the poem. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. Stay home, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you everyone.